The Veloci contractor grade 3000 PSI ball valve with brass QCs is now more ready to use for contractors than ever. This Italian nickel-plated ball valve is our most popular ball valve in our offering, and it turns like butter, which is why so many contractors like it. This particular version has a brass 3/8 QC and a plated steel QC on the other end. Maximum specs are 3000 PSI and 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Flow rates for this ball valve are 8 to 12 GPM, depending on the specs of your pressure washer. The most common location for this particular ball valve, being 3/8 in and 3/8 out, is at the end of your hose and connected to your gun inlet. That way, when you're far away from your pressure washer, you can quickly shut off the ball valve, pull your gun, swap to a different setup, re-engage, and go. These Veloci ball valves will save you time and money.